Have you ever found yourself searching for someone on Facebook, only to discover that you can't add them as a friend? Maybe the Add Friend button is missing, or it's grayed out, leaving you puzzled and slightly frustrated. You're definitely not alone. This is a common experience that leaves many users wondering what's going on behind the scenes of the world's biggest social media platform. Let's dive into the reasons why you might not be able to add someone on Facebook, and how you can navigate these roadblocks to maximize your social connections. First, let's talk about privacy settings. Facebook gives users a lot of control over who can send them friend requests. Some people choose to limit requests to friends of friends only. This means that unless you share a mutual friend, you simply won't see the Add Friend button on their profile. It's a layer of privacy that helps people avoid random or unwanted requests, especially if they prefer to keep their circle tight or are concerned about online safety. Next, consider the possibility that you or the person you're trying to add has hit the friend limit. Facebook currently caps the number of friends one account can have at 5,000. If either of you has reached this threshold, new friend requests just aren't possible. In this case, you might consider following the person instead, if their profile allows it, to stay updated with their public posts. Another reason could be that the person has blocked you in the past, or you've blocked them. When a block is in place, both parties become invisible to each other in many ways. You can't send friend requests, see their content, or interact on the platform. Sometimes, even after unblocking, you might need to wait before you can send a new friend request. Facebook also monitors user behavior for spam and abuse. If you've sent too many friend requests in a short period of time, or if many of your requests have gone unanswered or been marked as unwanted, Facebook might temporarily restrict your ability to send new requests. This measure is designed to protect users from spammy behavior and keep the platform safe and enjoyable for everyone. In some cases, the account you're trying to connect with might be deactivated or set to a limited mode. If someone temporarily deactivates their account or switches to a more private setting, their profile may appear in search results, but you won't be able to send them a friend request until they reactivate or adjust their privacy controls. It's also possible that the person you're trying to add has denied your previous friend request and chosen to ignore further requests from you. Facebook allows users to decline requests and, if necessary, prevent the requester from sending another one in the future. Let's not forget about age and location restrictions. Some users, especially minors, may have tighter security settings in place by default. If you fall outside of their approved age range or geographic region, you might not be able to add them directly. So what can you do when you're faced with these restrictions? Start by checking your own settings and reviewing your pending friend requests. If you've hit a limit or have too many unanswered requests, clear them out and try again later. If you suspect privacy settings are the cause, see if you have any mutual friends who can introduce you or help you connect. At Famety, we understand just how important your social connections are. Whether you're looking to grow your network, engage with your audience, or simply stay in touch with friends and family, we're here to help you navigate every aspect of your social media journey. From increasing your followers to boosting your engagement, Famety has the tools and support you need to thrive in the digital world. Don't let small obstacles get in the way of your big ambitions. Let us help you unlock your full potential on Facebook and beyond.